So I just bought a Bluetooth speaker from the board. Model name is Stone 350 Pro. Produces 14 watt of output. Comes with a dynamic LED, RGB LED light. Here is the box. Wait for the sound check. First I need to open it. Let me check. Warranty card. Here is our speaker. Quite heavy. A Type-C cable. And nothing more. Let me check. Firstly setup. Here is a RGB LED light. Okay. I give you a sound check. The sound is good. And for the best price, you can check out the Blinkit. Blinkit offers discounted prices. Thank you for watching this video.